Hello, my name is Katie Lampel, and I'm going to talk through the new analysis tracking tool in Oasys 20. Analysis models can be large and complex, and during the course of a project the models evolve as design changes are made, problems are solved, and studies are run. Existing analysis management solutions vary from team to team, but may include Excel spreadsheets, text files, or even nothing at all. We've made a lightweight concept tool designed to automatically populate an analysis register spreadsheet, which aims to make it easier for users to keep an analysis register up to date with changes to models or include files. I'll take you through an example of using the tool. Let's say I've updated the bonnet material in my vehicle model. When I go to write out the model in Primer, the tool is triggered and I can add some information relating to the changes I've made. Firstly, I need to tell the tool which analysis register spreadsheet to add the information to. There are options to select recently used registers or create new ones using the tool. Once you've chosen a register, you can then choose which tab on the spreadsheet to add the information to. For example, you might have different tabs for different load cases. You can also edit which model your model is based on, if for some reason it's not the one which you currently have open. Next, there is an option to tag the change you've made, making it easier to search and filter through the analysis register later. You could choose a default option or create your own. Finally, you have to add a comment to say what change you've made and why. Once you've filled in the information, you can press commit. The information is added to the analysis register and the model is written out. You could also choose to skip adding the model to the register and just write out the model, or to cancel the write process altogether. If I then open the analysis register, we can see that the model has been added and additional information like the date and user that has made the change has also been added. We hope that this new tool will begin to help you with keeping track of model changes. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any comments or questions.